Hi all, welcome back to my channel. Today let's see how to make aloo paratha. Take 5 medium sized aloo to a cooker, add aloo and add 2 glasses of water. Boil the potatoes on medium flame for 4 whistles or boil it till the potatoes become soft. Let's prepare the dough. In a large mixing bowl, take wheat flour. I took handful of flour 3 times. Add water gradually and knead to form a soft dough. Add a tablespoon of oil and knead again until the dough is soft. Once the dough is soft, cover the dough and let it rest for about 20 to 30 minutes. Once pressure is released, open the lid of the cooker and throw the hot water. Now peel the skin of the potatoes. After the skin is removed, grate the potatoes or using a smasher you can smash the boiled potatoes. To the boiled and smashed potatoes, add salt as per your taste. Add 2 teaspoons of coriander powder. Add 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Add 2 teaspoons of jeera powder. Add 2 tablespoons of red chili powder. Finally chop the coriander leaves and add it to the smashed and boiled potatoes. Add finely chopped green chilies. Mix well to ensure all the spices are evenly distributed. Let's assemble the paratha. Take the dough and knead it for about 5 minutes. Divide the dough into equal sized balls. Take one small ball, roll out one ball into small circle about 4 to 5 inches in diameter. Place a spoonful of potato filling in the center of the circle. Bring the edges of the dough together to seal the filling inside. Gently flatten the filled dough ball and roll it out again into large circle about 6 to 7 inches in diameter. Heat a tawa over medium heat. Place the rolled out paratha on the hot tawa. Cook for about 1 to 2 minutes on one side, then flip it over. Apply a little oil or ghee on the cooked side and flip again. Apply oil or ghee on the other side and cook until both sides are golden brown and crispy. Hot and crispy aloo parathas are ready. Serve hot aloo paratha with yogurt, pickle or chutney of your choice. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Bye.